All right, so got the Euro USD. I just measured my impulse. All right, so I'm monitoring these areas. We got the prices coming across a 23% numbers time. So we got one, came back across again, dipped back below, back again, back again. So we're hovering. All right, and so we're looking for a breakout, and we can bracket our orders based off of what we see. But we do know this is an area where price can come back down before we possibly have a mini trend continuation to the upside. Let's go ahead and get our targets based off our impulse. All right, we got this. All right, so this is what we expect price to try to come back to. That's our actual target. So what I want is some type of order come into the market at this level, but more than likely this would be a better area to look for some type of buy setups. All right, and where we at? We got right here. So we're in between there. We pull our fibs up one more time. So we just have a snapshot of where we are on the chart. So we just bounced off the 38%. So I do want to see this level a little bit violated. If so, we may have a short trading opportunity down to the let's see, that's not enough. That's only 4 pips or whatever. And back to the 68 between 14 and 16 pips. So I don't know if I really want to, trade that. But this is the setup that, basically looking for based off where we are currently. So like I said, we're within this bracket. So if you just came into the market right now, you're not really doing anything. You're waiting for one of these levels to be violated before you even think about, taking a trade. All right, let's go look at some other pairs. All right, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so let's do this. All right, so it's been retraced beyond the 80, the 88, at least on a 15-minute chart. All right, these are some key areas that we have on the chart. Here, this is what we're dealing with currently. So this is a bracket. So we're within this bracket, and we clearly see if we break lower, we have to clear these zones. So this is an area on the market on the chart where I do want to see price violate break because I feel like we can get back down to this zone down here, and if we can break and get down in here, I mean it's 65 pips. That's a pretty good move, but let's see where we are on a higher time frame. Let's go to a daily. All right, so this is the trend that we're currently in. Yeah, so we are in the uptrend on the US dollar Canadian on a daily. Let's go back down to the hourly. Yeah, so we're in this chart setup. This is yeah. So currently where we are, we're just waiting for price um, to see if it can violate and close below this level. We can throw our Bollinger Bands up, see where we at. See, we came out the water here. We came back in. So currently we're still in the water. So we're pretty good on that part. All right. So about 1, 2, 3, about 4 hours ago, around 10 o'clock, it was out of the water. We had a red candle come in. Let's see. Let's go on lower time frame, see what's happening. All right, looks totally different here. So this was pretty good. Get in, nice little drop. Get back to the median. So that trade would have been pretty good coming in. First red candle right here. Yeah, that was a good 58 pip drop. That's a real good move. All right, so we get below on this median. When price gets below that median, that could be considered a drop too. So we could be looking for a sell setup that's coming soon. And if we was coming into the market right now, as we are, we're looking at, we want to see this. We got about 9 more minutes left on this other candle, but we are already starting to pierce this level. But you have to be mindful of these are other levels that you can hit. So we got that. So that's a 9 pips away from there, but we want to get back down to here. That's about 32 pips. It's decent. All right. So let's take the bulges off. Watch this. All right. So see where we currently are. We're back here in structure. Further some resistance. 61% still back up in this area. We could get up here. But once again, we need to bracket this and really make a decision based off of here and there. And that's it. Cardano, see like a double top is forming. Spread this on out like here. This is basically considered like a retest of this area. We could be setting up for a drop. Take all this off. All right, so yeah, we could be setting up for a nice drop. All right. So we're sitting right at basically resistance, so we could push to come back down. We can measure and measure this impulse down. Let's get downside target. So these are target areas where Cardano can head to. All right. And then we got this bottom one down here. All right. Across the what? 23. We're back above. All right. So yeah, this could be setting up. We can see what's happening. All right. That target lines up into the golden ratio zone. I could be looking to take some future contracts on this. Let's go look at the coin glass liquidation. All right. So A lot of people still think we're short, so we do need to clear some areas first. See what the 1 hour look like. Okay. So there is a lot of people who do believe that we're going to go short. So we just be careful, and we just need to wait for the right setup, because what we could get is maybe a spike out of here to wipe some clean and then drop. So we need to monitor this area. So we could have some limit orders right here. We'll clear this level. We could look to get short. All right, so I'm not going to keep you long on these videos. I do some of the small snippets like this, and I do some other pairs. All right, you have a great one.